Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to enable the camera control button on your iPhone 17 Pro or iPhone 17 Pro Max, and trust me, the process is quite simple. Basically, you want to open up the settings of your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. Now scroll all the way down until you get to the camera settings, which is over here. Select it. Now at the top you're going to see the camera control option. Select that and make sure that here we have launch camera. You tap on it and set it to camera so that you can use the camera control button to open up the camera of your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max once you press on it. So I'm going to set it to camera, and then you want to come out of that option, and also you want to scroll all the way down where we have accessibility. Also select that, then also make sure that camera control is also turned on from over here. You can push things a little further by selecting how light the press of the camera control button should be for you. So you can set it to firmer if you want it to have a more firm press so that you don't mistakenly press it all of the time, or you can even set it to lighter to make it lighter when you press the camera control button. More interestingly, if you want more features when using the camera control button on your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max, you want to come out of this and then make sure that camera adjustment is actually turned on. So if yours is off, you make sure you turn it on. Go into customization and make sure that all of these options are actually checked. And once this is done, you should have been able to successfully enable the camera control button. So you can press on the button to open up the camera of your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. You can swipe like so to adjust the zoom of the camera of your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. And you can even have press on the camera control button twice without fully pressing on it to open up other camera menus. So you can actually just have pressed like so, and you can see we are currently in the zoom. I can swipe like so to go into the depth or even to the exposure, and then just have press on it once to actually select that option to, now I can now increase the exposure and reduce the exposure. Finally, if you actually want to take a picture, you can just fully press on the camera control button to take a picture, and it will be saved on your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. And you can even long press on the button to make a video, and as soon as you release the button, your video will be saved into your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. Please let me know if this tutorial was helpful, guys.